Hi guys, welcome to eCraft Box. Today we are going to learn a lovely and super cool craft. We are going to make this lovely bird cage using an old printed book, and we are going to make this bird cage in particular. For this we need to select a book of around 22 to 24 centimeters in length, and we have to calculate the center page of this book, and we have to start working from the center. Our first fold is like this. Bring the corner to the spine of the book and make a nice crease, and the next fold is make it half and crease once again. I hope you got it. Fold it like this and like this. We have to continue folding like this till the end of the book. We have to select a book with around 200 pages with medium thickness, and I'm almost at the end of this book. Make sure you're taking the corner to the spine of the book till the end. Okay, we are done with this part. Now we'll start with the second half. Now the same folds will be done on the opposite direction. Continue till the end. Okay, this is completed. Folding part is completed. Now we have to start decorating this. Okay, I have a gift wrap here, paper gift wrap. Cut it into the proper size, and we have to stick using the white school glue. Apply the glue and stick the decorative paper. You may use any nice decorative paper or a gift wrap as I have used here. Stick it nicely. Now I am using a lace to decorate the cage. You may also use quilling paper or ribbons to decorate this part. I have used the hot glue gun to stick the lace. Tuck in the excess lace. Now I am using the foam flowers to decorate this. You may use even paper flowers or any decorative flowers you have lying at your home. Decorate it with flowers and leaves. You may also add the buttons and decorate the covers as well. Now to make a cage like this, we have to select a book with around 350 pages, and we have to continue to fold in the same direction. Add tassels, embellishments, anything you wish. My daughter has made this fresh looking cage using her last year's book. Book folding art is very popular these days. I'm sure you'll all try this. Like, share and subscribe. Bye.